I reached out to Pit K9 because they were the only dog training facility in the Sudbury area that I could find that actually dealt with aggressive dogs. So Stitch was rescued from the humane system, and the reason I ended up with him was because he had been returned multiple times, like more than 3 or 4. He does have a bite history. He bit 2 people, and now I can walk him off leash. And I can take him wherever I want, and I can make him do whatever I want, and he doesn't want to attack anyone anymore, and he's always looking at me for reassurance now. And just, I could not have done it without Pit K9. Cassandra and Sean were amazing, because I was going to euthanize this dog. He's just a rescue. I didn't know he had so many issues, but it was worth it to work on it with him. He's only a year old, so thanks, Stitch. And I saved this boy's life from euthanasia, and he's a very happy boy now. Very good, happy boy.